guys, welcome to Lip, Shoes, and Issues. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. And I want to show you how to do an ombre lip. It's a new thing, you know. It's going to be a quick video. Now, you can start with, I've got the KKW. It's a fleshy tone. I don't know. I use it for my spot. I know that. I don't know what they call it, but you can use foundation. You can use don't use a concealer. You don't want to use anything that's lighter than your skin tone. So you want to use your foundation. I can use this because this is my skin tone. And go over your lips with it. Start out doing that. Okay. First thing you're going to do. Now I have MAC Stone and I have the Lifter Gloss in Stone. I don't know how that happened, but I'm going to use a pencil and I'm going to use a lip gloss. But you can use a pencil and a lipstick, lip color. The whole idea though is for your lip liner to definitely be a few shades darker than your lipstick or lip gloss. This is kind of a grayish brown, this color here, Stone, with a bit of purple in it. So, pull this closer. You want to start on the side. Now you're going to overline the lip, and it's much easier to overline a lip when you put the foundation or when you put the foundation on your lips. Now, when you overline your lips, you want to use the side of the pencil going up. You don't want to use the point. You want to use the side. So you've lined your lips. Now you're going to go in and color in the sides. And don't be afraid. Just go in there and do it. Now you're going to take the tip of the pencil, you're going to put a line here, and a line here, going across the Cupid's bow, because you want to accentuate the Cupid's bow. And then you're going to put one line there. Perhaps I could have used a different color so you guys could see it better, but now I'm going to go in with my gloss. That's not my gloss. Is it? Oh, it is. Very nude. And you're just going to go in the middle. Now, sooner or later, everything will marry. But this just gives you a fuller, plumper, sexier lip. And that's an ombre. Now I'm going to try another color. This one is called NYX Dark Soul. Now this is a very dark, mysterious burgundy. I'll start out again. Basically, you're priming the lips, fading the line so that you can overline. And I got the Dark Soul. Now is this the Suede NYX Professional? Okay, this isn't the Suede lip liner. I love NYX's lip liners. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and color in the sides. And then the Cupid's bow. And the bottom. Now I'm going in with the Pat McGrath. Oh, I love this color. It's a matte. This is a lipstick. So Pat McGrath. Soft Core. She has some kinky names to her lip products. This is it here. It's a very pretty pink. You want to go in the middle. With this, I would blend a little bit more pink on the side. Give it some warmth. that's a matte ombre. And what I would do is I would add some Buxom Celeste lip gloss. It has a little tint of a beige, but it's mostly clear. Right in the middle. So you can do that. And that makes your lips look plumpy when you put it right in the middle, or just I like to dot it because it doesn't stay dotted. It ends up blending. Or you can just add the gloss all over. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to learn something. Maybe you'll try it, and if so, send me a pic. I'd like to see it. And I know I gave you all the colors to try, so thanks for tuning in. Love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Watching?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, you're bored.
But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done.
5, 4, 3, 2.